Chapter 1: The Hook. Have you ever wondered if it's really possible to make over $1,000 in just a couple of hours by building something with AI? No complicated coding, no big team, no startup funding, just you, a laptop, and the right tools. Well, that's exactly what happened to me. I built an AI agent in just 2 hours, and the very same week, a client paid me $1,200 for it. And here's the crazy part. I didn't even write a single line of traditional code. In this video, I'll break down exactly how I did it, from the idea, to the tools I used, to how I landed a paying client so quickly, and most importantly, how you can do the same. Chapter 2: The problem that started it. It all began when I was talking to a small business owner friend of mine. He runs an e-commerce store that sells custom gifts. Business was going well, but he had one massive headache: customer support. Every single day, dozens of customers were asking the same questions. Where's my order? Can I customize this product? Do you ship internationally? He told me that he was spending hours responding to these messages manually or paying a virtual assistant to do it. Either way, it was eating into his time and profits. That's when I realized something. This was a problem perfectly suited for AI. Instead of hiring more people, what if he had an AI agent that could handle 80% of these customer support questions automatically? And right there, the idea for my AI agent was born. Chapter 3: Discovering the tools. Now here's the important part. I'm not a software engineer. I can sit down and build a full chatbot from scratch using Python and APIs in 2 hours. But thanks to today's no-code and AI platforms, I didn't need to. I discovered a stack of tools that made the process ridiculously fast. OpenAI's API to power the actual intelligence of the agent. Zapier plus webhooks to connect the AI with real business apps like Gmail, Shopify, and Slack. VoiceFlow to design the conversational flow visually. Make.com into GrowMat to handle automations behind the scenes. With this toolkit, I could create something that looked and worked like a custom-built AI solution. But in reality, it was assembled with drag and drop workflows and a few API calls. Chapter 4: Building the AI agent. So let's walk through how I built it in literally 2 hours. Step 1: I started in VoiceFlow. This tool let me create a chatbot style flow. I mapped out the common customer questions my friend's business received, things like "Where's my order?" or "Can I get a refund?" Step 2: I connected OpenAI's GPT model. This gave my bot the ability to understand customer messages in natural language instead of just rigid keywords. Step 3: I used Zapier to connect the bot with Shopify. That way, if a customer asked, "Where's my order?" the AI could automatically fetch the order status and reply with a personalized answer. Step 4: I added an escalation flow. If the AI couldn't answer a question confidently, it would forward the message to a human via Slack. That way, the business owner still had control when needed. In just under 2 hours, I had a working prototype. It wasn't perfect, but it worked. Customers could type in questions and the AI would respond instantly, with real data pulled from Shopify. Chapter 5: The Demo. The moment of truth came when I tested it with real conversations. I typed, "Where's my order? My number is #1043." The AI agent instantly pulled the data from Shopify and replied, "Hi Sarah, your order number 1043 was shipped yesterday. Expected delivery Tuesday." Boom. That's when I knew I had built something valuable. I showed the demo to my friend and he was stunned. He said, "This is going to save me so much time. How much would you charge to set this up for me?" That's when the business side kicked in. Chapter 6: The Business Model. Now, here's the key insight. AI agents are not just cool demos. They are business solutions. Companies, even small ones, are willing to pay good money if you can save them time, reduce workload, or cut costs. I told my friend, "I can fully set this up for your business, customize it for your Shopify store, integrate your email, and provide basic support for 1,200. He didn't even hesitate. Deal. And just like that, I made $1,200 for 2 hours of work. But here's the bigger lesson. This isn't just about one client. This is a repeatable business model. Chapter 7: Why businesses will pay. Think about it. Customer support is just one area, but AI agents can help with sales outreach, writing personalized emails at scale, HR onboarding, answering employee FAQs, data entry, automating boring tasks, social media, drafting content ideas. The market is massive, and most businesses don't have the technical know-how to build this stuff themselves. That's where you come in. If you can learn to stitch together no-code plus AI tools, you can charge anywhere from $500 to $5,000 for each project. Chapter 8: Scaling beyond one client. After delivering the project to my first client, I realized something important. I could turn this into a repeatable service. I packaged the AI agent as a customer support automation system. I created a simple landing page on Webflow. I listed out the benefits: instant replies, reduced costs, happier customers. Then, I started reaching out on LinkedIn and in small business communities. And guess what? Within a few weeks, I had multiple people asking for demos. Some couldn't afford $1,200, but even at $500 per setup, it was worth my time. Chapter 9: Lessons I learned. Looking back, there are a few big lessons from this experiment. Speed beats perfection. The prototype wasn't flawless, but it worked well enough to demonstrate value, and that's all you need to land a client. AI is a business tool, not just a toy. People are willing to pay real money when AI solves real pain points. You don't need to code. The no-code ecosystem is powerful enough to build real solutions quickly. Charge for value, not time. I didn't get paid $1,200 for 2 hours of work. I got paid $1,200 for solving a $10,000 problem for the client. Chapter 10: The bigger opportunity. Here's the most exciting part. We're at the very beginning of the AI agent revolution. Right now, building an agent feels like a cool side hustle. But in a few years, every business will have specialized AI agents running in the background. A real estate agent might have an AI answering property questions 24/7. A fitness coach might have an AI giving personalized training tips. A law firm might have an AI agent helping clients with document prep. The opportunities are endless, and the people who start learning how to build these agents now will be the ones making serious money later. Chapter 11: Final thoughts. So yes, I built an AI agent in 2 hours. And yes, I got paid $1,200. But the real takeaway isn't the money. The real takeaway is that anyone can do this. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need a massive budget. All you need is a clear problem to solve, the right AI plus no-code tools, and the confidence to put yourself out there. The first client might feel like luck, but once you've done it, you realize it's a repeatable system. And if you're watching this thinking, I want to try, my advice is simple. Start small. Build a demo agent today. Test it. Show it to someone. You never know who might say, "This is amazing, how much do you charge to set it up for me?" So that's the story of how I built an AI agent in just 2 hours and got paid $1,200. If you want more stories like this and tutorials on how to build your own AI tools, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and drop a comment below. Tell me, if you could build an AI agent for any industry, what would it be? I'd love to hear your ideas. Because remember, the future of work isn't about doing more. It's about building smarter systems and letting AI do the heavy lifting. And trust me, this is just the beginning.